What's it about?
Yeah, I think it's a huge demonstration.
What's it for?
It's for Chinese government.
Oh, they're complaining about it?
Anti-Chinese government.
Really?
So keep it free.
Really? Can we go to the other side?
I don't know. Do you want to go? Let's finish, almost finished. Oh.
Just for a minute.
Wow.
I guess they're angry.
Oh, huge.
They're complaining about China?
Yeah, that's the problem. So one of the problems.
Interesting. Fascinating. It's very fascinating.
Supporting a foreigner for government or election is no. Say no.
Joining foreigners? What does that mean?
Joining the election or Japanese government.
What do you mean foreigners?
So
like
foreigner.
Koreans?
No, it's like a foreigner. Yeah, well, every foreigner. Everyone.
Why?
Not joining the election.
Why? What did we do?
I don't know.
That's not fair. We didn't do anything.
Don't do anything.
Ah!
Say don't do anything.
I guess people are angry these days though. Really? So they're complaining about the islands, right? Who cares? I think they just want to protest. It's fun, maybe.
Yeah. It's entertainment.
We're going this way?
No, I don't want to go up. Down.
I want to go back. I think they... Me too, I think it's fun.
Yeah.
Plus, I like the flag. But one of the flags was old flag.
It's strange.
One of the flags was the old flag. So I think Chinese people would be angry if they saw it.
They had a Japanese flag? No.
No, they had the old one with the sun.
Yeah.
Well, I think the Chinese care.
Yeah, just Chinese people care about that. Some people.
Is this the women's washroom?
Oh, no, so, yeah, women.
It's pretty nice. I don't think I should film.